Good day mga boss! Welcome po sa ating channel, Math Tutorials TV. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to find the GCD or the greatest common divisor of the given numbers using Euclidean Algorithm. Are you ready? Let us start! So, yung ituturo ko ngayon mga boss is kung paano i-determine or kunin yung GCD or the greatest common divisor using the Euclidean algorithm. But in order to find the GCD using the Euclidean algorithm, we have to use the division algorithm repeatedly. So we have here the form of the division algorithm. We have A is equal to B Q or B times Q plus R, where A is the dividend, B is the divisor, Q is the quotient, and R is the remainder. So ito po yung gagamitin natin repeatedly hanggang sa makuha natin yung GCD ng given numbers gamit yung Euclidean algorithm at gamit yung division of algorithm repeatedly. So we have here a problem. Find the GCD or the greatest common divisor of the following using Euclidean algorithm. So we have here GCD of 329 and 182 at saka ng 84 and 156. Okay, so we're going to solve first the GCD of 329 and 182. Okay, so sabi ko na kanina mga boss, in order to solve the GCD of these numbers using Euclidean algorithm, we have also to use the division of algorithm repeatedly, and this is the form of the division of algorithm. We have A is equal to BQ plus R, where A is the dividend, B is the divisor, Q is the quotient, and R is the remainder. Now, paano natin ma-determine mga boss yung dividend? Okay, so yung dividend mga boss is the greatest number between the two numbers. So between 329 and 182, so 329 yung mas malaking number. So lagay natin dito yung 329. Then yung natirang number, that is our divisor. That is 182. So if you're going to divide 329 by 182, okay? Ilan yung sagot? Okay, tama. 1 mga boss. Okay? So 182 times 1 is 182. Okay? So pag sinabtract natin yung 182 times 1, that is the remainder sa 329. Okay? So 182 times 1, that is 182. Tama? So pag sinabtract natin yung 182 sa 329, that is tama, 147, and that is the remainder. Okay? So 182 times 1 is 182 plus 147, that is 329. Okay? So yan yung nangyayari mga boss. So after that, yung next na gagawin natin mga boss, yung divisor natin sa next step is siya na yung magiging dividend. Okay? Then yung remainder natin, ito na yung magiging divisor. Okay, nakuha nyo mga boss? Okay, so 182 divided by 147, okay, that is equal to, okay, tama, 1. Okay, so 147 times 1 is 147. Now, if you're going to subtract 147 to 182, what is the answer? Yes, correct, 35. So, 35 is our remainder. So, lagay natin plus 35. Okay? Again, our divisor here will now be the dividend sa next step. Okay? Equals. Next yung remainder, siya naman yung magiging divisor. Ulit-ulit din yan mga boss. Okay? So, 147 divided by 35, that is equal to, okay, tama, 4. Okay? So, 4 dapat mga boss. Okay? So, 35 times 4 is 120. So, 120 minus natin, 140. 35 times 4 is 140. So, 140 minus natin sa 147, that is, tama mga boss, 7. And that is the remainder. Okay? So, tandaan lang natin mga boss na dapat yung remainder natin dito should be less than our divisor. Okay? Hindi pwede mas mataas yung remainder kaysa sa divisor. Ibig sabihin, medyo mali yung sagot natin sa quotient. Okay? So, after that, next, same process pa rin. Yung dividend, yung divisor magiging dividend ulit is 35. Okay? So, we will divide by 7. Yung remainder magiging divisor. So, 35 divided by 7. Okay, tama. 5. Okay. 7 times 5 is 35. 35 minus 35 is, tama, 0. Now, pag 0 na boss yung remainder, dito na tayo mag-stop. Okay? We have to stop when there is no remainder or the remainder is 0. Pag nag-0 na yung remainder mga boss, pwede na nating makuha yung GCD ng 329 at saka 182. So, ano po ba yung GCD? So, yung GCD is the last, okay, divisor. Yan yung ating GCD. Since the last divisor is 7, so the GCD of 329 and 182 is 7. Okay, next example tayo mga boss. We have GCD of 84 and 156. So, again, okay, determine na natin yung mas mataas na number between the two. So, that is 156. So, tandaan nyo lang mga boss, yung mas mataas na number between the two given numbers, yan yung gagawin nating dividend. Tapos, yung natirang number, that will be our divisor, that is 84. Okay? So, when we divide 84 to 156, what is the answer? Yes, correct. 1 mga boss. Okay? 84 times 1 is 84. Pag sinabtract natin yung 84 sa 156, anong sagot? Okay, tama. So, the difference is 72. So, yung difference, ito yung magiging, okay, remainder natin. Okay? Tandaan po natin, yung remainder should be less than the divisor. Hindi po pwede na mas mataas yung remainder kesa sa divisor. Pag nangyari po yan, ibig sabihin may mali po sa ating process. Okay? Tandaan lang po natin yan mga boss. Okay? So, if you're going to check if tama ito, so you are going to multiply 84 times 1, that is 84, plus 72, that is also equal to 156. So, after that, pag hindi pa 0 yung remainder, hindi pa tayo mag-stop. So, yung divisor natin, sa next step, siya na yung magiging dividend. Saka yung remainder natin, ito na yung magiging divisor natin. So, again, 84 divided by 72, that is correct, 1. Okay? 72 times 1 is 72. Subtract natin yung 72 sa 84, that is tama, 12. Okay? So, yung difference nito, yung 72 times 72, pag sinubtract natin is 12, dito mo ilagay sa remainder, positive 12. Okay? Since hindi pa 0 yung remainder, ganun pa rin yung process. Yung divisor magiging dividend, yung remainder magiging divisor. Okay? Tandaan natin, yung remainder mas less than siya dapat sa divisor. So, 72 divided by 12, ano yung quotient? So, tama, 6. So, 12 times 6 is correct, 72. 72 minus 72, that is, okay, 0. Okay? Since now the remainder is 0, we have to stop. Okay? Okay, kailan po ba tayo magsa-stop? Pag 0 na po yung remainder. Okay? So, therefore, pwede na nating ma-determine yung GCD ng 84 at saka 156. Yung GCD niya is the last divisor. So, yung last divisor natin is, tama, 12. So, 12. So, the GCD of 84 and 156 is 12. Salamat po sa panonood. Thank you, and God bless.